Hey, this is Ashley from RecPro. So you have your new awning, you don't want it to get dirty or ruined or anything. So what's something that you can do to protect your awning, whether you're traveling or whether you're just putting it away for storage for a while? Well, that is where awning covers come into play. So we have here our white RV awning covers, however we also have them in black. The product code for it is RP-2053. Basically, this extends the life of your RV patio awning fabric indefinitely. Take into consideration, however, that is for patio awnings, not the awnings on your slide out. Those are slightly different mechanisms for patio awnings. So this prevents really costly RV damage that could happen to your awning from water getting into it or something flying at your RV if you're moving. So it's really good for protecting it. Each segment comes in 4-foot 2-inch segments that are 3.85 inches in diameter. Like I said, it comes in black or white, and it is made of UV resistant polymers. So they're really, really durable, virtually indestructible. They're not going to get brittle. They're wind resistant, weather resistant. They're really, really great. So they're stackable or trimmable to fit different types of awning lengths. However, we recommend stacking them versus trimming them. It's just a little better that way. And they're a universal fit for any kind of RV patio awning. So they're really, really easy to install. You just snap them on and overlay the pieces over each other. They're really great because you can also extend your awning while these are on. So you don't need to climb up there and take them off before you get into camp. You can extend it and easily take them off that way as well. You just can't put them on that way. You have to put them up there first. So let's see how to install these, shall we? Okay, for installing this, you're going to want to grab either side and open it so that it can go all the way over your awning. It is gonna kind of, you know, pinch your fingers a little bit, especially if you're a bit softer fingers like I do, but it will eventually go over. So you're gonna wanna pull it. Takes a little bit of strength, but you can get it. All right, so once it is on, you're gonna want to slide it down to the end of your awning, and then we're gonna put more on. So, okay. So the second one is going on. Make sure you overlap it onto the second one, at least 3 inches. This is just gonna help it keep stable, no water's gonna get in there, that kind of stuff. And your hands are gonna get a little dirty as well, so if you see your hands look a little grimy, it's just because that's the life of your awning. It protects your RV. So that is how you put it on, and then to take it off, you simply reverse it. So you're gonna want to grab either side of it, open it up, and pull it off just like you put it on. So if you want to find out more, just click the link below, like, comment, and subscribe, and remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.